function hall is there. So it may be capacity of 1,000 people. So just we can't tell that every time the 1,000 people will be there. Sometime it may be 500. Just imagine only 500 are there. The AC, if you are putting that in high, so it will consume more amount of energy, it will waste. So automatically, so according to the occupants who are there, okay, if 100,000% are there, the AC, the cooling will be somewhat more. If it is 100, it will be reduced automatically. So every component in the building, what they are using, nowadays we are using the artificial intelligence in the form of some different thing. Okay, and next one, if you are taking that construction safety. Okay, so if you are seeing that, I think you may be heard about the today's newspaper. They told that. So in the Dinamala paper, I read the paper morning. So in that there are so many chances for earthquake in the Coimbatore itself. Okay, how they were predicting that? How? So what is the machine used to find the earthquake? Sensor, there is a Richter scale to measure that. So before happening, okay, so it is going to happen. So there are artificial intelligence are that. By using that, they were predicting that. So there will be the chances of the earthquake. Okay, so therefore in that also we are using. Okay, and next one, if you want to do that but environmental sustainable building. So what is the meaning of sustainable building? What is the meaning? Sustainable and development to sustainable development. What is the difference? Okay. No. So if you are taking, okay, if you are buying some land, 1 acre land, okay, there are 100 trees are there. Okay, if you are constructing some 100 building, you can tell that this is a development, and you are cutting that 100 trees there. So therefore, it is not a sustainable development. So we should not destroy nature. Okay, okay, and if you are doing any development, that is something but the sustainable development. Okay, development without destroying the nature. Okay, and if you are cutting that 100 trees there, it may be replanted. So nowadays, just you can remove the trees from the root itself. There are machineries are there, and you can plant it in some places also. So in that also they are using the artificial intelligence. Okay, and also if you are taking the project management. So do you know what is the project? What is the meaning of management? Okay, if I am telling that our management, I am telling that you just need the management. Management hire people. So they will watch each and everything. If it is a department, we will watch you, okay, and we will monitor you. We will take care of the department activities alone. So if it is a management, they have to take care of everything. So even if you are having any water problem, they have to give road facilities, and they have to give the parking facilities, and they have to give the enough classrooms, and they have to give every thing. So that is nothing but a management. If you are taking it as a building management, a project management means, okay, if you are any person is constructing some apartment, okay. So if you are if you want to build some apartment in future, okay. So without any management or without proper planning, we can't do it. Okay. So first, okay. So if the project is planned for 1 year, so first 2 months will be for digging the lands. Okay. And next 1 month or 2 months maybe construction of the foundation. Okay. So every level, for every level, so there will be some planning. Okay. And we have to see that whether that is happening really or not. The planning is different from the executing. Okay, 1 year, just our plan is to 1 year, within 1 year we have to complete that project. But we have to monitor whether will it be completed within that 1 year. So there also we are using the artificial intelligence. So therefore in every sector of civil engineering, okay, not only the engineering, all over the world, in all the sectors, even in medical also, we are using the artificial intelligence. So that is the reason for our college. The final year students are they asked to do their project with the application of the AI. So since in companies in future, so they may have to use that AI. So therefore we thought that